The vehicle in this test is a gas-propelled trailer tractor. It has a new gas tank installation for 80-liter tanks for biogas. The test we have performed is a side impact test reproducing a side collision. And the object hitting the truck from the side is a deformable barrier normally used for side impact tests for passenger cars. The test is done by positioning the heavily loaded trailer tractor across the test track. And we use a steel cable to pull the deformable barrier into the side-mounted gas tank installation. In this test, we wanted to see that the gas tanks don't get damaged and that they don't fall off the vehicle. Something like that would happen in a real accident. It will be a safety risk. The data and the videos are also used for correlating crash simulation models and to develop simplified test methods, because full-scale crash testing is really expensive. Our general approach in crash safety is to look beyond the legal demands. We set internal requirements based on accident statistics and accident deep studies to ensure that we have a high level of safety in our products.